Parents and educators, if your students have an iPhone or an iPad, you know they're spending a lot of time on it, right? Well, I want to show you in this preview video, if you join and become a VIP member, or you log in if you're already a member, what you're going to learn in this course. So first of all, Healthline says that 12-year-olds consume over 8 hours of media per day. Yikes! Studies have shown lower brain development in preschool kids who had increased screen time. Similarly, 8 to 11-year-olds who exceeded screen time recommendations generally scored lower on cognitive assessments. And I'll tell you what, they also get worse sleep because blue light, which the sun has, and during the daytime it's supposed to keep us awake, blue light will actually keep us from getting that deep REM sleep that kids need so much to grow, to process the day's activities, to be well rested for the next day, to make friendships, to listen and absorb the knowledge from their teachers, and also to be calm and well rested. So important. I can't tell you how important this is. Here's what we're covering. How can screen time help your students? What is family sharing? Why is it important to set limits, contact limits, and other limits on your students' devices, and how to configure screen time settings? You can also watch this with your students, but look over here on the right. This is one of the screenshots. We're going to set up downtime and teach you what it is. We're going to teach you what app limits are and tell you how to set them up, how to set up communication limits, how to set up communication safety, how to do always allowed and content and privacy restrictions. There's a ton in here, ton. I think you're going to absolutely love it. You can take this course by going to SmartSocial.com and becoming a VIP member, a very informed parent. You become the smartest parent on the block, and no, we're not against your kids. We're all about them using these tools to get their dream college, career, internship, and have fun as a family online, right? There's so much to do. You can scan that QR code of that little dinosaur, or you can just go to SmartSocial.com and sign up. You'll be supporting our cause so that you can keep your kids safe, and also we can save lives all over the world. I hope you'll take this course, Apple Screen Time, the complete guide for parents, where you're going to learn a ton of stuff. You can ask questions, we'll answer them. There's a ton of great things. These devices aren't all bad, but we have to protect and lock them down in certain ways so that you can at least control and guide the students on where they go. I'm Josh Oakes. I hope to see you in the course. Thanks so much. Have a great day.